Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change your Lexus IS250 windshield wipers. This is a straightforward maintenance task that improves visibility and safety. First, gather your new wiper blades, a soft cloth, and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your car is parked on a level surface with the engine off and the parking brake engaged for safety. The driver's side blade is usually 22 inches, and the passenger's side is 20 inches. Now, let's remove the old blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright. Be very careful, as the arm is spring-loaded and can crack the glass if it snaps back. Locate the small tab or clip where the blade connects to the arm. Press this release tab and slide the old wiper blade downwards to detach it. Once released, carefully remove the blade from the arm. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its attachment point with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards into the arm's hook until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked. Double-check that the blade is firmly attached. Then, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield, making sure it doesn't drop suddenly. After installing the first blade, repeat the same process for the other side. Once both new blades are securely in place, it's crucial to test them. Start your Lexus IS250 and activate the windshield wipers. Observe them closely to ensure they operate smoothly and make full, consistent contact across the entire windshield. Remember to regularly clean your wiper blades with a damp cloth to help them last longer and perform optimally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.